Oh, hello there. Your puppy is very beautiful.
Hello, thank you. He is a very young dog.
I am Chloe. I love animals very much.
I am Tom. It is nice to meet you.
Is he a golden retriever? He is very small.
Yes, he is. He is only 4 months old.
His fur looks very soft. It is very clean, too.
I brushed him this morning. He likes to stay clean.
He has a bright red collar. It looks very nice.
Thank you. It is a gift from my sister.
The park is very busy today. Are you here for a walk?
Yes, we come here every day. The grass is fresh.
He is wagging his tail fast. Is he a happy dog?
Yes, he is very happy. He likes the warm sun.
He has very big paws. Will he be a large dog?
Yes, he will grow fast. He needs a lot of food.
I like your blue t-shirt. It is a nice color.
Thanks. Blue is my favorite color for clothes.
It matches the clear sky. Today is a great day.
I agree with you. The weather is perfect for puppies.
Your dog is looking at me. He has kind eyes.
He is very curious. He likes to watch people.
He is sitting very quietly now. Is he tired?
No, he is just calm. He is a very good boy.
I want to come closer. Is that okay with you?
Yes, please come here. He wants to say hello.
I am standing near you now. He is very small.
Don't worry, he's friendly. He likes new friends.
My family has a dog too, but he is very old.
Old dogs are very wise. Puppies are just very energetic.
May I pet your dog? I want to touch him.
Yes, you can pet him. He is very gentle.
Should I move my hand slowly? I don't want to scare him.
Yes, that is a good idea. Put your hand out first.
I want him to smell my hand. It is very important.
He is smelling you now. He knows you're nice.
His nose is very wet. Is that a good sign?
Yes, a wet nose is healthy. He is a strong puppy.
Can I touch his soft ears? They look like silk.
Of course he can. He loves his ears rubbed.
Oh, they are so soft. I like this very much.
See, he is closing his eyes. He is very relaxed.
You are a lucky owner. He is very sweet.
Thank you, Chloe. I am very happy with him.
Did you buy him in this city or a farm?
I got him from a farm. It was very far.
Farms are great for dogs. They have lots of space.
Yes, he loved to run there. Now he has a garden.
A garden is perfect for puppies. They can play outside.
He runs in the grass every morning. It is fun.
I want to have a puppy too, but I live in an apartment.
Apartments are okay for small dogs, but they need walks.
I walk in the park often. I can take a dog.
That is good. You have a lot of energy.
I am petting his back now. He is very warm.
He has a thick coat of fur. It keeps him warm.
Is he okay with other dogs, or is he shy?
He is very brave. He plays with big dogs too.
That is very good for him. He needs many friends.
Yes, socialization is important. He is learning every day.
He is leaning against my leg. He likes me.
Yes, he really likes you. He's a good judge.
I am rubbing his chin now. He is very happy.
He is lifting his head up. That is a good sign.
Does he have a name yet? I want to know.
His name is Buddy. I think it fits him.
Buddy is a great name. He is a true friend.
I chose it because he's kind. He's my buddy.
Hello, Buddy. You are a very good boy today.
He is wagging his tail again. He knows his name.
He is very smart for a puppy. He listens well.
We practice his name every day. He learns very fast.
Can I pet his paws? They are very cute.
Yes, but be very gentle. Some dogs are sensitive there.
I am touching them lightly. They are very soft, too.
He is not moving away. He trusts you, Chloe.
I feel very happy right now. Animals are so special.
I agree with you completely. They make life much better.
How long do you stay here? Is it an hour?
Usually we stay for 40 minutes, then we go home.
That is a good amount of time. He is young.
Yes, he gets tired after an hour. He's small.
Does he sleep a lot at home? Puppies need rest.
He sleeps for 3 hours after walks. He's quiet.
My old dog sleeps all day. He is very lazy.
Old dogs need their rest too. It is normal.
Buddy is looking at a bird now. He is curious.
He wants to chase the birds, but he's on a leash.
It is safer for him here. There are many cars.
Yes, safety is the first rule. I am very careful.
Does Buddy live in a house or a flat?
We live in a small house. It has a yard.
That is very good for him. He can run.
Yes, he loves to play with his ball. It is blue.
Does the ball match your shirt? That is very funny.
Yes, it does. I like the color blue a lot.
Buddy is a very lucky dog. He has a garden.
I try to be a good owner. I love him.
I can see that, Tom. You are very patient.
Thank you for saying that. Training takes a long time.
Does he bark at the neighbors, or is he quiet?
No, he's very quiet. The neighbors like him too.
That is very good for everyone. He is a popular dog.
Everyone stops to say hello to him. He's famous.
It is because he's cute. Everyone loves golden puppies.
And because he's very friendly. He never growls.
Can I give him a treat? I have no food.
I have some treats in my pocket. You can use one.
Are they for young puppies? I want to be safe.
Yes, they are special for him. They are very small.
I want to hold it correctly. How do I do it?
Just hold your hand very flat. Put it in the middle.
Like this, Tom. I am ready now.
Yes, that is perfect. He's waiting for you.
He is sitting very nicely. He is a polite dog.
He knows a treat is coming. He's very smart.
I am a little bit nervous, but it is okay.
Don't be nervous. Buddy is very gentle with hands.
Okay, I'm holding the treat. Come here, Buddy.
He's coming to you now. He smells the food.
Here is a treat, Buddy. It is for you.
He took it very gently. He is very polite.
He did not bite my fingers. He is so good.
I'm teaching him good manners. It is very important.
You are a very good teacher. He listens to you.
It takes a lot of work. We practice every hour.
But it is very rewarding. He is a great dog.
Yes, I love seeing him learn. It makes me happy.
He is looking at my hand again. Is he hungry?
He always wants more treats, but he must wait now.
We must be careful, Buddy. No more snacks today.
One treat is enough for now. He had his breakfast.
He is sitting very nicely again. He wants more pets.
I will rub his back now. He likes that too.
His fur is so warm. The sun is very strong.
Yes, it is a beautiful afternoon. I love this park.
His nose is very cold. Is he feeling okay?
Yes, a cold nose is good. It means he is healthy.
He has very clean white teeth. They look very sharp.
They are puppy teeth. They will fall out soon.
Oh, I forgot about that. He will get new teeth.
Yes, then he can eat bigger treats. He will grow.
You are very responsible, Tom. Buddy is a lucky boy.
We are both very lucky. He is my best friend.
I am very glad I met you both. This is fun.
I am glad too, Chloe. You're very nice to dogs.
I want to come here tomorrow. Will you be here?
Yes, we are here at 4. Every day is the same.
That is very good to know. I will look for you.
Buddy will be happy to see you. He likes you.
I must go home now. It is getting late.
It was nice to meet you. Thank you for talking.
Thank you for the time. I loved petting Buddy.
Thank you for being kind. Buddy had a great time.
Goodbye, Buddy. Be a very good dog today.
He is wagging his tail. He is saying goodbye too.
He is such a special puppy. I will miss him.
We come here every afternoon. You can see him again.
I will look for the blue shirt. It is easy to see.
And I will look for the yellow hoodie. It is bright.
Have a very nice walk home. Don't let him run.
I will be very careful. We walk on the sidewalk.
Enjoy your evening at home. Is it dinner time?
Yes, Buddy is very hungry now. He needs his bowl.
I am hungry too. I am going to the cafe.
That sounds like a good plan. Have a nice meal.
The park is very peaceful now. The sun is low.
I love the sunset here. The colors are very pretty.
The sky is pink and orange. It is like a painting.
It is my favorite time for walks. It is not hot.
Give Buddy a big hug for me. He is sweet.
I will give him a hug. He loves hugs a lot.
You are a very great person. It was nice meeting.
You are very nice too, Chloe. Have a good night.
See you later, Tom. Take care of the puppy.
See you later, Chloe. We are going home now.
I am waving my hand. Can you see me waving?
Yes, I see you. I am waving my hand back.
Today was a very good day. I am very happy.
Yes, it was very good. Goodbye for now, Chloe.